A tab space is a special non-printing whitespace character represented as \t in Python. It's different from regular spaces because instead of adding a fixed number of blank spaces, it jumps to a specific alignment point. It moves the cursor to the next tab stop, a predefined position in the text layout. In most terminals and text editors, tabs are aligned to tab stops every 8 characters, positions 0, 8, 16, 24, etc. In Python, \t is an escape sequence that represents a horizontal tab character in a string. When \t is used in a string, it inserts a horizontal tab which aligns text to the next multiple of 8 columns by default. It doesn't just insert a fixed number of spaces, it moves the text to the next tab stop, which is every 8 characters. The number of spaces added by \t depends on its position. So \t adds just enough spaces to move the cursor to the next multiple of 8. In this example, the string before \t is 7 characters. The tab \t moves the cursor to position 8, the next tab stop. Current cursor position is 7 as indexing starts at 0. The next tab stop is at position 8, so the tab adds 1 space here. After that space, tab 1 prints immediately starting at position 8. In this example, the string before \t is 8 characters. The current cursor position is at 8, already at a tab stop. So the \t moves to the next tab stop at position 16. 8 spaces are added. Tab 2 starts at position 16. In this example, the string before \t is 9 characters. Current cursor position is 9 and next tab stop is 16. That means the tab inserts 7 spaces. Tab 3 starts at position 16. There are several disadvantages when using the tab character for formatting text, especially with the print or string manipulation. Inconsistent display across editors and terminals, since tab width varies, commonly 4 or 8 spaces, causing misalignment. Unpredictable alignment. When printing tables or columns, \t can lead to uneven formatting, especially with variable length strings. For example, the number of characters before each \t is less than tab space 8, and so the columns are aligned evenly in all rows. But in this example, number of characters before \t is less than 8 in some columns and greater than 8 in some columns, so the columns are aligned unevenly. The string method Expandtabs can be used for formatting text, aligning columns of data, or removing unwanted tab characters. The Expandtabs method sets the tab size to the specified number of white spaces. Expandtabs is a string method that replaces all tab characters in a string with a specific number of spaces. This is the syntax. Tab size, optional, a number specifying the tab size. Default tab size is 8. Returns a new string object with each \t replaced by enough spaces to get to the next tab stop, a multiple of tab size. The number of spaces depends on the current position of the tab character in the string and the specified tab size. The Expandtabs method keeps track of the current cursor position. The cursor position starts at 0. In this example, Expandtabs method is called on the string 1. The default tab size is 8 and the position of first tab character is 3. The Expandtabs method replaces the tab character with spaces until the next tab stop. The position of the first tab character is 3 and the first tab stop is 8. Hence the number of spaces after ABC is 5. The next tab stops are the multiples of tab size, that is 16, 24, 32 and so on. After expanding the first tab, position of second tab character is 13 and next tab stop is 16. So 3 spaces are inserted after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When the tab size is set to 2, the tab stops are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. The position of the first tab character is 3 and the tab stop after that is 4. Hence the number of spaces after ABC is 1. After expanding the first tab, position of second tab character is 9 and next tab stop is 10, so one space is inserted after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When the tab size is set to 5, the tab stops are 5, 10, 15 and so on. The position of the first tab character is 3 and the tab stop after that is 5. Hence the number of spaces after ABC is 2. After expanding the first tab, position of second tab character is 10 and next tab stop is 15. So 5 spaces are inserted after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To align the columns in a table, set the tab size to the max length of the characters in a column. For example, the name of the flower in the first column and fourth row, California Poppy, has max characters 16. To align the table output, set the tab size to any value greater than 16. Removing tab characters from a string. For example, there are unwanted tab characters in string 2. To remove unwanted tab characters, call Expandtabs method with the argument 0. All the tab characters are removed from the string. To replace tab characters with a single space, pass 1 as the argument. In this example, all tab characters are replaced with a single space. To download practice Python file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.